In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Access with Power BI and import your data seamlessly. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to make their data visualization process smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right in. The first step in this process is to open Power BI. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so, as you'll need it for this entire procedure. Once you have Power BI up and running, you'll be greeted by the main interface, known for its user-friendly design that facilitates data analysis like never before. Next, head over to the Home tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options that help in managing your data. What you're looking for is the Get Data option. This is a crucial step because the Get Data feature is where the magic begins, allowing you to connect Power BI with various data sources, including Microsoft Access. With Get Data open, you'll notice a myriad of data source options. You want to type in Microsoft in the search bar. This will help filter down the selection to what's relevant for our needs. As you type, you'll see different types of Microsoft services listed. Carefully scroll through the list to find Microsoft Access. This is a critical decision point where choosing the correct type of Microsoft application will ensure a smooth connection process. After you select Microsoft Access, a new window will prompt you to navigate to your Access database. This is where you'll locate the file that houses the data you wish to import. It might be a good time to double check that your database is saved in an easily accessible location on your computer. Once you've found it, select the database file and confirm your choice. Power BI will then ask for any necessary authentication. If your Access database requires a password or specific credentials, make sure to enter them at this stage. This ensures that all the data privacy protocols are followed and your information remains secure. Once you've managed to establish the connection, you'll see a preview of your Access data in Power BI. Take a moment here to inspect it, ensuring everything looks correct. If something seems off, it's better to address it before full import, as managing errors post-import can be cumbersome. Finally, when everything checks out, proceed to load your data by clicking the Load button at the bottom of the window. This will start importing the data from Microsoft Access into Power BI. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a few moments. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Access data should now be successfully connected and imported into Power BI, ready for you to begin your work on insightful reports and dynamic dashboards. This powerful combination of tools will surely enhance your data analysis and visualization capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy data connecting!